Hello, it's Salimik. This car's engine never been cleaned before from the factory and it has 61,000 kilometers on it. The car is from 2013. I would say it's in pretty good condition. So we're gonna be using gunk cleaner for the first time and give you guys an idea how much this product cleans the engine and the engine bay. So by the end of this video, you will know how much this product works if you use it too. I will be using these two size brushes to agitate the cleaner and penetrate more, a microfiber towel for drying out, and a 10mm for removing battery terminal. I'm not sponsored by this product and I will show you how much it cleans without applying any plastic restorer or anything to make it look good after drying out. So before washing the engine or using any type of cleaner on the engine, there are a few things you have to check. First is the harness connection and the wire condition. If they look like this, you have to fix it and then use these cleaners. But if they are in good condition, this cleaner not gonna damage them. They are wire and rubber safe. And the second most important thing, the engine has to be completely cold. I usually leave it over the night and for the next day I will wash it. So if you wash a warm engine, the water gonna vaporize and gets into the wire connection and it will give you so many error codes. So after checking the wire condition and everything is good and leaving the car over the night, and for the next day we're gonna remove the battery terminal and we're gonna work on the engine and clean everything. Alright, let's shake the can really good and spray it on the engine and the engine bay. It has a pretty good amount in this can, so I could cover the whole engine bay and the engine. Now I'm gonna agitate it with this brush and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes with agitating with brush and leaving it to penetrate. And for rinsing, I'm gonna use a pressure washer around the engine and the garden hose on the engine. Even if you don't have a pressure washer, you can just use a garden hose, engine and around the engine as well. It's more safer like this. But my pressure washer on lowest setting, so it's not gonna damage any wire or not gonna get inside any wire harness. You might have some dried residue, just hold the water on it and brush it. It will easily remove the strings. So for drying, you can leave it like this over the night or use compressed air. But the safer way is leave it like this without pushing the water into any wire harness connections. So I'm just gonna use the microfiber towel and wipe the surface and let it dry. Alright, it's the next day and the first thing I noticed is the stain on the paint. Of course, if you have a dirt and stain on the paint for a long time, it will be stained like this and you can only clean it by buffing it out. And if you come on the engine cover, don't expect it to be like a factory new. It will be like this because the dirt been penetrated for a long time. And if you look at the power steering reservoir, we had some oil leakage here and it could clean everything. So that's a good result with removing oil. And here's the before and after picture that you should expect a result like this. Now let's put the battery terminal and start the engine. I will make sure to put the product and the brushes in the video description box below. So let me guys know, did you expect a result like this or shiny as new just like in commercial? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.